In the heartbeat of Africa, where hustle meets hope, thousands hit record each day, praying that one video change everything. But what separates the noise from the voice that echo? See, if I see one more YouTube video that says just be yourself or authenticity is the key, I will take it personal with that creator. Because right now in this country, Lagos alone, 5,382 people are being themselves on YouTube. And only 3 of these people are making money. Balance. The rest, not just vibe. See, this is not a tutorial. This is a survival guide. The story of creators who cracked the code and the 5 foolproof steps that no one told you about. But every successful Naija YouTuber knows. But listen, step 3, that's the step 97% of Nigerian creators fail at. It is why most creators never blow. Stick around because if you miss that step, you miss everything.
Like and subscribe.
First, the invisible advantage. Niche as identity. Many start by doing what they see, vlogs, reactions, challenges, but the ones who break through choose something else. They found the invisible edge, a niche soaked in cultural context, something only they could tell. Don't pick a niche that exists. Pick one only you can exist in. General is invincible, but specific is irresistible. 2. The 3-second test. Hook or die. Attention is currency. In Nigeria, it is scarce, fragile, distracted. And if your video doesn't arrest the mind in 3 seconds, it dies in silence. You can use viral hooks like I lived in Banana Island pretending to be rich and this happened. Or turn this YouTube button to get 10,000 views. Uh-huh. Your first sentence must be a story grenade. You light it, you throw it, and you watch them stare. And 3, the algorithm obsession. Consistency over creativity. Most creators burn bright, then burn out. But unfortunately, the algorithm doesn't care about your burnout. It craves sacrifice, rhythm, and ritual. Upload twice a week, same time, same days, for 90 days. This is not an advice, it's initiation. This is where most creators fail, not because they weren't good, but because they weren't there. 4. The thumbnail test. First impressions that click. In a city of colors where boss ads scream and billboard flash, your thumbnail must fight to be seen. So I will give you 4 simple and effective formula for successful thumbnails. Firstly, make sure to use bright color contrast. Secondly, you use bold red or yellow text. Thirdly, a dramatic face or scene. And lastly, one clear subject, could be cash or suya. The ugly truth is, the click matters more than your content. Until the click, your story doesn't exist. You've probably heard people talking about faceless YouTube channels, but let's be real, most of the advice out there is either confusing or incomplete. That's why I'm inviting you to a free live class where I will be breaking it all down for you. How to create a profitable faceless YouTube channel step by step. How to use AI to generate
unlimited high-quality content effortlessly, and why you don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to start making money. In fact, you can start earning from your very first upload. I won't just throw random information at you. I will give you the exact strategy you need to launch successfully. And if you're serious about turning this into a real business, I will show you how to go even deeper in my 7 days faceless YouTube challenge, where we focus on how and get you fully set up. Seats are limited. Don't miss out. Click the link to reserve your spot now.
And 5. Monetization before fame, the underground money route. In Nigeria, AdSense is a whisper. If you want to eat smart and eat early. Brand deals, start small, DM local brands, tag them in videos, build receipts, digital products. Turn your journey into PDFs. Nigerians don't like hard roads. We love shortcuts. User-generated content, aka UGC. Create content for brands. No channel blow needed. My first 300K came from a luxury furniture brand that needed a product video at the time. And I jumped on it. And it was cool. You don't need millions of views. You need one good brand and one good offer. And you are good. And finally, number 6, the silent force, community. In the end, views are vanity. Community is equity. Build your army before you build your mansion. Respond, reply, show up. Every Nigerian creator who blew up once sat where you are with a dusty phone, a borrowed ring light, and a shaky voice. What made them different? They started and they never stopped. Take the challenge. Now, this is your brief. Pick a niche that scares you. Film your first video with a hook that stings. DM me your thumbnail. I will pick one winner to mentor. The rest, you will still win because you finally started. You can as well join my content creator community. We can start something from there and grow together.
Like and subscribe.